How to touch up a tricolor paint job. This is Ford's Tangerine Scream color, and in this video we're going to show you how to touch it up. I'm going to be filming and Elise is going to be doing the touch up, and it's going to be great.
So this is the basic kit for the Tangerine Scream, and when you look online, their images for the basic kit only come with 2 bottles, but because this is tricolor, you end up getting 3 bottles because you need 2 different colored coats. So each of these boxes comes with a bunch of different tools for application, and of course you can buy your own paintbrushes, but for small stuff, I really like this tiny little Q-tip looking thing. Our first color is going to be the LP-L1, so it's basically layer 1. And with this, I'm just going to dip in and get a tiny little bit. I don't want too much because I don't want it to overrun the spot I'm on. I can always get more.
Okay, we're gonna look at a few chips, and it depends on the size and how deep they are. Like this one right here, it's pretty deep, and you can see the metal, so they recommend to put some primer and then to level it out and then to put the paint on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to do the little one. The first step is to wipe the area in the chip with some alcohol and a towel. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and clean it.
Now we just gently dab this in here.
All right, we got our first coat. We're gonna let that dry. We went ahead and put the paint all the way to the edge.
All right, now we are moving on to the second coat. This is LP-L2, and I'm gonna go ahead and shake it.
Okay, so Elise is gonna be doing this second part. It's gonna be, the application is gonna be the same way, and she's gonna be doing 2 rounds of this one. By the time we're done with this one, we should have 3 coats. And look at that, it's already blending in. A quick tip is if you want to reuse these, which they're really nice, you want to go ahead and put some alcohol on a paper towel and just clean the tips.
And finally, we are going to finish it off with a clear coat.
All right, so Elise is going to apply the clear coat, and they even say that on the website, like the clear coat is going to be what makes it look awesome. And I could tell you guys that before, especially with this color, when you had the chips, you could tell. And now when we look at it, like the 5-foot test, you could barely tell. So we're gonna call this a success. And Elise is awesome. And if this helped you out, please press the like button. And check out the rest of our videos on our Ford ST. We have a lot of maintenance and upgrade videos and a lot of fun. All right, guys, bye-bye.